Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to legally activate and use Microsoft Office application free up to 6 months. So if your Microsoft Office expires, you can follow this guide to activate it. I have read the official Microsoft Office documents that says you can reset the grace timer and activate Office for another 30 days. And interestingly, you can do this up to 3 times. Hence, before buying Microsoft Office, you can evaluate it for up to 120 days or 4 months. In some cases, Microsoft may allow Office activation for up to 180 days or about 6 months. So let's get into it. First of all, open Windows File Explorer and navigate to Office Installation folder. Now open Program Files 86. Here click on Common Files. Now click on Microsoft Shared. And here click on Office Software Protection Platform. And here you see 3 options. The last one is OSPPREARM. Right click on this option and click on Run as Administrator. You will see a pop-up. Click on Yes and now close this window. Let's now check by running Microsoft Word application. So in this video, you have learned how to activate Microsoft Office. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.